Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Harrison Blake Apparel. This is a monthly subscription box for men. It's $25 a month with free shipping, and each package includes one necktie and then several accessories that are all color coordinated. They also have a store online where you can buy individual items if you just want to buy some neckties. So I will leave their link below. So this is the December bag. You get a little card like this that shows the products. And on the back, it gives you the retail value of everything. So I'll show that again at the end. So the necktie is this really pretty gold and navy blue color. It's very nice. We also have a pocket square that matches. Okay, so I went and took everything out of the packaging so you don't have to sit through that. But here is the pocket square. Has like a nice shimmer to it. I like this a lot. Some great colors. There's also a pair of really long socks with the whole navy blue goldish theme. Then we have a tie bar. Just clips to your tie. And then a pen, again, that ties in all the colors. And on the card it says it's a world travel lapel pen. Just for a little added decoration. And so I'll show you the card. The tie retails for $30, pocket square $20, tie bar $20, the socks $8, and the lapel pen $15. Total value $93. And there's a promo code down here if you want to buy anything from the online store. So I'll put that in the description box below. They also have a subscription, if they still have it, for bow ties, which I thought was kind of fun. So I will put all the information in the description box and make sure you check them out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.